sometimes I just don't think I should have adult money. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back. And today I did some irresponsible spending, so I'm sharing it with you. I pre-ordered it as soon as I saw it. It already sold out. Here's the thing which I don't understand myself. I know I'm getting older, so I think nostalgic things are just like, if they just come for you. I'm feeling my age. I'm like, oh, I remember when I was young. I loved this. So that's how this happened. But yet I'll spend money on something like this is stupid. And I literally just got today an Amazon purchase for a piercing gun so I can pierce my own ears. Like, what is wrong with me? Why am I piercing my own ears? I shouldn't have adult money. So hopefully, like, I'll have a third set right here and everything will be fine and it'll be great. I might film it, I don't know. But anywho, let's get to the unboxing. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember, hit subscribe below, ring that bell, so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay, let's just get to it. It's probably gonna be a short video, but I got this and it was irresponsible. Let's get to it. So here it is right here. This is something, there was only about, I think, 77 of these made. Here is the box. Here is all my information on it. It's super small. Get the protectant off. And this, I don't know if this ties. Nice presentation. Is it open? It opens like this. So here's what I got. I got the Olympia Latan, I think that's how you say it, burn book clutch. This book is number 64 out of 77. There are only 77 of these in existence, and it is like handmade felt book. Look at this. Freaking gorgeous. And look at the back. On Wednesdays we wear pink. There's a pink on. And this one doesn't come with a strap, I don't believe. Yes, no strap. It just opens up. You can fit the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities in here. So you can fit your phone, card case. It comes with a nice little dust bag. And that is it. It has the Olympia Latan thing here. And it's handmade, it's cute. It's not something you wear all the time. This is definitely just a collector's piece. Am I gonna wear it? Of course I'm gonna take it out. Like, this is something I need to bust out. I need to have a moment for this. However, it's more like a collection piece. Like, I know what this is. It's gonna be something that I'm gonna love, that I have in my collection. I do love that it's handmade. Really loved Mean Girls. I haven't seen the new movie, but I definitely love the original. I just thought that was so cute, nostalgic, and I love that it's a book. Let's try on this book clutch together. So here it is right here. Obviously, it's just a clutch. Close-up of it. You can see that it is handmade. And as you see in the back, there were only 77 of these made. I did pre-order it. And it did retail for, I got a discount on it and stuff. It retails for over $1,800. I got it on discount because the site I found, it was the first time I purchased, I got 15% off. So I got this for, I believe, around, this 15%. I think with tax and everything, it was just right around a little over $1,600 for this, which is a ridiculous amount of money to spend, but super cute. I also have one of these other books that I only spent like $500 on, but let me show it for you. So I do also have this book, that book clutch that I got from them a while ago. This one is like the original ones that usually they come with a strap. But this one does not have a strap. You just carry it like a book. But this is the cat's one. And it has a nice interior. They're just super cute collectible pieces. And usually when I wear these, like this one, when I go to musicals or something, I go into the city and get that. I get these. See, it looked about the same thickness. But this clutch feels a little bit heavier. But yeah, aren't they super cute? I could put this on a bookshelf, technically, even though it's a bag. Yeah, adult money, right? Let's grab a couple things and put in here. It's the bag I'm currently rocking to see what we can fit. And spoiler, it's not gonna be a lot. So open this up. So I have keys here, key fob, and normally, so I have that's gonna fit. And then you could put your phone in there too, and that's pretty much it. I believe that this is too thick, but let's try it. Yeah, that's too thick. So you can't have like a zip wallet. You can only have something like the key clay here, or something like just like a card holder or anything. And then that will shut right there just fine. And then just your phone. But that's pretty much all you can keep. But look at these lips. Oh, it's just so cute. Definitely total waste of money, but you know, this is adulting. And am I gonna return it? No. Am I gonna keep it? Yeah, for like ever and ever and always. Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think. Is there any nostalgia things that you are just like lusting over, which you probably shouldn't? I have been looking at some vintage pieces. I really want to get into a few more like vintage items to add to my collection. Please put in the comments down below, like what is something that has like got you. Maybe you haven't bought it yet, but you're thinking about being silly with your money and spending adult money. And maybe you're thinking about piercing your own ears, even though you're spending all this money on silly things, but yet you're saving money on ear piercings. And I got the ear piercing. Looks nice. What do you guys think? Only cost me like $10. Put it in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.